everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just popping in to do a members updated video as it has changed a little bit. I've added in yet another tier, so I thought I would share all of that with you. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Our very first tier, these are Canadian prices, is of $4.99 a month, and what that does is it gives you a sneak peek of the bag of the month class tutorials that aren't already on my channel, but that I have made specifically for the classes. That gets that to you early if you want to see it early. It does get released, those tutorials do get released to the public side after classes are over, but it's just a way to see it like 3 or 4 weeks early. Next tier up, which is our new tier, is $12.99 Canadian, and everybody had been sending me messages saying, how can we see the sew along classes? I want something slowed down, but I don't have time to take the classes, but I would like to see it. I mean, you can always register for the membership classes and watch the replays at any time. That is completely okay. But this one is a lower tier because a lowest price, it's a lower price, which is helpful to some people. And what it will give you is those sew along classes that we've done on Tuesdays and on Thursdays, 6 months after the fact. So it is now November. So right now on the channel, you'll be able to see March and April's sew along classes, which was the Necessary Clutch Wallet and the Betty Bowler Bag. So you can go in and watch those now. And of course, every month more will be added as we move along. That is also great because for our Tuesday or our Thursday tiers, the way YouTube works is I can't have 2 tiers at the same level. So even though we do a different class on Thursdays and Tuesdays, I couldn't make it so you could choose one or the other. You can either choose the Thursday bag or you can go to the next tier, which you get both the Tuesday and Thursday bag classes. So now this at least gives those Thursday people that do not want to take the Tuesday bag as well, they'll be able to see those sew alongs for those Tuesday classes as well. That'll be included in their membership. So that membership is the Thursday sew along class. That gets you the live sew alongs with me on every Thursday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to work on the Thursday bags. It also gives you all of the replays to date of Thursday classes. But now with that new tier, after 6 months of the Tuesday classes being released, those will be released to the Thursday people as well, which is great. The next tier up after that, so we have the VIP of the month 1, and what that does is gets those people that are only taking the Thursday class an entry to become the Beans Peeps VIP person of the month, in which case I will give them a $25 Canadian gift card at the place they choose, as long as I can have an e-certificate for. So we do that draw the first week of every month, and one lucky winner wins that. So that gets them 1 ticket. Next tier up is our Tuesday tier, and that is our Tuesday sew along class. It's the Tuesday and Thursday sew along classes. So that class has access to both classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and as well as all of the past sew alongs replays to date. And then from there is the VIP of the month 2. Oh, I should mention the Tuesday, Thursday sew along class, that also gives them 1 entry into the VIP of the month. The VIP of the month 2 tier gets those people a 2nd entry into that draw. So yeah, it's been really great. Everybody has been really happy to get that $25 gift certificate when they are drawn. So I'm really happy to be able to do that for everybody. So if you would like to take some of these classes, make sure you scroll down and see the different levels. I'm hoping that now there's a level for everybody if they want to see that. The live classes will never go to the public side unless I end up stopping doing classes. So the only way you're going to see those is if you are a member. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. All that information is below, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.